Alright, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michael Williams. We continue to look at Quickbooks Point of Sale and how to manage our inventory. Let's go back to home screen here. I went to item lists and we set up one item. One of the things in the last video that I did not show with much accuracy is the styling feature. And basically what we do with the styling feature is that this is a table that we can differentiate things like color, sizes, and so on. So let's say we have 3 different sizes of this jeans. So we got 32 inches waist by 32 inches length, and we have blue, we have black, and we have gray. And 30-inch waist length, 30-inch. Now basically what this is saying is that we have 3 different sizes and 3 different colors. The numbers we put in here would be the quantity of each one of those colors that we have in stock. So let's say for blue we have 10 of these and we've got 7 of these, and for black we've got 6, 5, and 7. For gray we've got 5, we've got 6, and we've got 8. So this table means that we have for 34 waists and length 32, we've got blue, black, and gray jeans, and the quantity that we have in stock are blue 5, black 6, and gray 5, and so on for the rest of them. Once you do that, you have like one type in the same category and different sizes and colors. You can use a styling feature, and what it would create is items based on those. Now for each one of these you can then add features like separate barcode if they have that in the UPS. You have to specify it as VAT, and the prices. No, we don't want to save that item, discard. And you edit, you go to edit. The price is same, barcode may be different for each color. That's where you have to scan the tag, the barcode. You could separate the product by using an alternative lookup. This is optional, this is all up to you. In addition to those things, you can put in a comment for whatever reason you might be looking to comment on a specific item. And there are other things that you can set up, like shipping weight, height, length, and width of package if you're doing shipping. So once that is done, we save that. You notice it has now created for us 9 total items, different attributes, different sizes, same price for each, but they are all different. And if you need to create a alternative lookup and a barcode for each, then you'll have to go back in and edit that. So that is the continuation of editing a product and using styles. And that's all for this video. Until I return, goodbye.